Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales, and today we're showing you our Kia Sportage. It's a local vehicle here. Some people were moving or needed to downsize, so we bought it from him. Got Goodyear tires up front, they're in good shape. Body's in very nice shape. Low mileage car for its age, 44,036. You can see multiple keys plus a remote start's been added. Lane departure and collision alert. Power seat. So very nice shape, low miles, not beat up, no dents that I see. Comes with our 12-month, 12,000 mile warranty. That's an extra set of floor mats because it's got the floor liners. So body's in very nice shape, not many scratches or anything on it. Got a little scuff right here that'll buff off. So we'll get that taken care of. There you can see the weather text. So super nice, comes with warranty. Very, very clean all-wheel drive vehicle ready to get you down the road. 605-692-7010.